Hi, welcome to our short video series. My name is Ko Fujimoto. Let's get started. Today's topic is how to legally skip worldwide income tax by using 183-day rules. The other name is substantial presence test. Today, I'm going to show you an example of how the rule is being applied. The 183-day test is a way for the US government to measure the degree of your connections to the United States. You are close enough or you are far enough. If you're close enough, then you are classified as a US resident for the tax purposes, which leads to the US government taxing your worldwide income. Okay, so you need three numbers. How many days you were in the United States for the current year? How many days you were in the US in the last year? How many days you were in the US for the 2 years ago? And current year days and last year days, you need to divide it by 3. And 2 years ago, you need to divide the numbers by 6 and total number of days. If this number exceeds or equals 183 days, and if you are present in the United States at least 31 days for the current year, then you are a US resident. Let's say you exceed 183 days by this test, but you were in the United States only 20 days this year. Then you do not meet the test. Okay, so you need to meet these two conditions together. And let's take a look at concrete numbers. Here you go. So current year, you are in the United States for 120 days. Last year, you were also in the US for 120 days. That's about 4 months, right? And 2 years ago, you were in the United States for the same number of days, 120. So the last year, you divided by 3, and 2 years ago, you divided by 6. So 120 divided by 3 is 40, I think. And 120 divided by 6 is 20. So if my math is right, I hope my math is right, you have 180 days. So this 180 is not exceeding 183 days. Therefore, for current year, even though you were in the US for at least 31 days in the current year, because you were in the US for 120 days, right? But you do not meet this 183-day test. Therefore, in this example, you are not the US resident. And this is how you control your determination of 183 days. So you can't control past numbers, but you can control current year's numbers. And this is how you utilize this particular rule, okay? It's a very simple way to determine if you are resident or not. All right, I hope you enjoyed my video and see you later sometime. Take care.